Coulomb. It is denoted by C, capital C. Now assignment of time. Second. And how to find out the charge? How to find out the charge? If you want to find out the charge, then you put the formula charge is equal to N into E. N into E. What is the N? Number of electrons. What is the E? Charge of one electron. Charge of one electron. Q is equal to N into E. N number of electron. E is the charge of one electron. If you want to find out the number of electron, then we need two things: charge and charge of one electron. Charge in a wire, how much charge is there in coulomb, and then you need to charge of one electron, that is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Last year I think one question asked by the board from here. In that question, number of electrons asked. In 1 coulomb of charge, how many number of electrons were there? In 1 coulomb charge, only in single 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons were there? How I will find out? Use the formula. I have given the charge 1 coulomb. Put here. Now I want to find out the N, number of electrons. Put the value of E, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Short out this problem. N is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, increase the point, cross the point and increase the 0 in a numerator. 10 to the power minus 19 transfer into a numerator. It will become R 10 to the power positive 19. Got it? 10 divided by 16, 0.625 into 10 to the power 19. Write this value like 6.25 in a standard form. 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. 18 because I have got a 10 multiplied here. Take the 10 from here and multiply in this value. Then it will change 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. That was the answer. Last year board questions is there. N is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 was the number of electrons in an electric circuit in 1 coulomb of charge only. If in this question, if we want to ask find the number of electrons in a 100 coulomb of charge, in a 1000 coulomb of charge, then what will we do? Put the value of Q, whatever they given, 100, 1000, like that. Got it? Next topic is electric potential. What is the electric potential? I will tell you about the electric potential and what is the formula of electric potential and what is the assignment also. I will tell you. See here. Electric potential. Electric potential. Electric potential always represented by V. Electric potential is defined as the work done per unit charge. The work done per unit charge. V is equal to W upon Q. W upon Q. See here. What is V? Electric potential. What is W? Work done. Assignment of work is Joule, represented by capital J. What is this? Charge. Assignment of charge? Coulomb. Then assignment of electric potential? Volt only. And denoted by V. See here, electric potential denoted by V and its SI unit also is denoted by V. Now I have a formula of electric potential V is equal to W upon Q, and you can write in a form of E, energy. V is equal to E upon Q, because work done, energy